What's up, y'all? I'm back again to give you a little insight on a couple pairs that I'm currently trading. And I just want to go into detail and let you know what I see when I view these pairs. So right now I'm looking at EURUSD on the 1 hour chart. As you can see, the market is coming off of a strong bullish move because the chart is going from the bottom left to the top right. So we are currently here in the market. And I was able to identify where previous resistance levels were actually broken. And later on, previous support levels were broken, which helped me identify that the market is going from bullish to bearish. And as you can see, lower highs and lower lows were constantly being created. All right. And the previous resistance level, which we are currently here, which makes the previous resistance level here. All right. And that previous resistance level was never broken. Yes, it's being tested as of right now. So it's testing the previous resistance level, but yet it has never been broken. And I can zoom in a little bit closer so you can see that. Okay, levels have never been broken. So I plan on getting to this as a sale, but as of right now, I'm currently holding this and I'm waiting to see what happens. It's actually a good idea to never just hop into trades and just guess. You should have a better prediction of when to get in. Now let's look at Bitcoin. Everybody wants to trade Bitcoin right now, right? Everybody wants to trade Bitcoin. I don't understand. All right. So if you go back previously, if you look at the market, it's going from the bottom left to the top right, correct? So it's coming off of a bullish move. Everything is still bullish. All right. And what's happening here is that the market is creating higher highs and higher lows, which is actually a sign of a bullish trend. Now I have this box here for my kill zone to let me know when I should get into the trade. All right. So as of right now, we all know that the market is going to actually continue to go bullish. It is because the previous what has not been broken, the previous support level. So once this level here, the previous level of support has been broken, you know that the market will be trending in the opposite direction. That's just some gems for you. All right. So right now we're looking for a brief retracement, which we have that here. And the market actually continued to a bullish trend. Okay. Let's look at USDCAD. USDCAD is currently coming from the top left to the bottom right. It's coming off of a strong bearish move. All right. Then we have our double bottom that formed here in purple. As you can see, I put here that the 1 day chart gives a good indication where price will be headed as well. Be sure to look at the 1 day chart. Okay, so I had posted this on Tradingview to let people that's actually following me know what I'm doing when I'm trading. When I teach my students, I teach them about a 3-point move, which I'm not going to get into detail about this as of right now, but I teach them about a 3-point move that they need to confirm before getting into a trade. So as of right now, I'm not even in this pair at all. And then I have one more, US 30. And you can always like leave comments below and I can go and look at pairs that you want me to look at and tell you what I see and what I honestly, truly believe is going to happen. Everything that you do in the market is strictly a prediction, but you can also eliminate all noise by following certain steps each and every time that you trade. So let me back out for a minute. All right. So what we're trying to do right now is identify which way the market was going previously. So the market is coming off of a bullish move from the bottom left to the top right. Okay. And as I was marking up the chart, I was actually putting little text here to let you know what I see. I put here that the previous support point was violated, looking for the trend to reverse. So it did have a slight reverse point. It reversed down to this area, which is 29647. All right, I also put here that it retested the lows with a strong wick to the downside, which let me know the price will reverse into that direction. I was also able to identify a few pin bars. A pin bar is a sign of a potential reversal, but it does not mean the price will reverse. When it comes down to reading the candlesticks, this is when this will actually come into play and help you out a whole lot more. Right here is when I started looking at this pair. Right here where I have this red box, I'm actually going to change it to another color. I'm going to change it to, I don't know. Here is where I was looking for price to break above or below this box, and then I would have got in for a buy or a sell. I actually got in for a buy, and the market is still trending. So I put here retest of structure. So really what was going to happen is that structure was going to be tested here. So what happened here is once the previous resistance level was broken, I would have got into this trade for a buy, which I did. And look, it took off. You have to know how to read the market, and understanding these candlesticks really do come into play. It's a lot more than that, but yes, it's always good to have you a nice little kill zone. Like, okay, if price breaks this box, I'm going to get in for a buy or a sell. If it does this, does that, that's how you keep from losing so much money. It keeps you from hopping in and out of trades that you're not even sure if you're sure about, So eliminate all extra noise. Is all in your prediction of what you see in the market.